Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be taking you through my self care routine vlog. Rise and shine is a beautiful day to start with a cup of coffee. After waking up, I like to start my day with a freshly brewed cup of coffee to energize myself. Next, I freshen up by brushing my teeth and washing my face to be getting ready for the day ahead. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I believe in starting my day with a healthy and delicious meal. Time to fuel up and enjoy a nutritious breakfast to kickstart my day. In the afternoon, I like to go biking and engage some outdoor activities to stay active and have fun. And also, spending time with my furry friend is always a highlight of my day. Walking my dog brings me joy and relaxation. Exercise is essential for both my physical and mental well-being. It's time to break a sweat and feel the burn. After a productive workout, it is important to rest and rejuvenate. A refreshing shower helps me to unwind and relax. And that's all. Thank you for watching.